Hi everybody, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. Today I wanted to do a little video on treats. What are some of the treats that I give my rabbits? And I'm going to do 2 videos on this because I do have a brand that I want to do a separate video, and then these are just the odds and ends on what I really give my rabbits and things like that. So let's dig into this basket and see what's in it. And Arlo is with me today, and he's gonna try out some treats too because he says, Mom, I want some treats after what happened yesterday. I deserve it too. Yeah, you do. So let's go and figure out what in the world I give my rabbits. Now let's start off with the very first thing that we do give our rabbits on a weekly basis. Sometimes we give it to them weekly, sometimes we give it to them a couple times a week. It just depends on the rabbit and what they are doing on that particular time. This one is called the Tropical Carnival Nature's Behaviors. What it is grain-free pet rabbit daily diet. I would never give this to my rabbit as a daily diet because they can get picky after you give them this. It doesn't have all the nutrition that a rabbit does need, so I would say it would be great for a snack. Now on the back of this, I will take a picture and put the picture right here of what is on the back of this bag. But it says there are ground Timothy hay, there is Timothy hay flaked peas, there is the Timothy cubes, hibiscus flowers, marigold flowers, rose petals, nettle leaves, birch leaves, raspberry leaves, blue cornflowers, and chamomile flowers. And it also says this is a facility that processes shrimp, peanuts, and other tree nuts, not for human consumption, but it does process that. So if you can't touch it, that is not a good thing for you to be having around. Now, a thing that I also wanted to tell you about this that is a very important thing, do not give this to 2 different types of rabbits. One, do not give it to a rabbit that is almost due. That means if she's pregnant and she's almost due, because raspberry leaves are known to set a rabbit into preterm labor, or if they are needing to go into labor, raspberry leaves are a good thing to use for that. And another thing, do not give your rabbit 8 weeks or younger any of this stuff because they are transitioning from the mom's milk to the regular diet, the regular food, and you don't want to upset their stomachs, and then they can get baby GI stasis and they can pass away from that. So make sure that you always give this to a mom or something that is out of the cage, away from the babies, if you want to give them this treat. So I decided that I would go to the competitors and see, because I got this one from PetSmart and I wanted to go over to Petco and see if I could find anything that resembles that. And they do have that, and it's $20 over there, so it's the same price, but they have this. And this one is the same company, Tropical Carnival. It's Nature's Behaviors Timothy hay, and it's the Craveables. And it says with fruits, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. So if you flip it over, I will put a picture right here of it. It does give you the daily feedings, and it says that it is more on the sweet side and more on the crunchy side. And then it says it has Timothy hay, dried papaya, dried banana, dried carrots, dried cranberries, rose petals, hibiscus flowers, marigold flowers, nettle leaves. Now the next thing I want to talk about are these beautiful treats. Now these come from Oxbow, and there's a variety of them, but I just got 2 of them to give you a kind of look-see on which ones we got this week. Every week is different. You can get these on Chewy. They are a lot more cheaper on Chewy if you get like the where you subscribe and then every month or whatever you pick, you can get them redone and over. These ones at Petco and PetSmart are anywhere from $5 to $7 probably in there. I think they went up a little bit. And I think I paid I'm guessing like $6 or $7 for these ones. And at Chewy, they're way cheaper. So go get them at chewy.com. These ones here are made with hay. So if you look on the back, which I will take a picture of this also and stick it right here, they do have all different types. This one is called Simple Rewards. It's veggies. Another thing that I like, it has Yukka. It's called Yucca and SCHIDIGERA. That is to help with their urine and all of that, and it actually helps with the smell of your rabbit's urine. Now this is another one, which again, I just picked any of the ones, and I wanted to give them vegetables. And then this one is with apples and bananas. They do have cranberries. They have all kinds of them on Chewy. And I will put a picture right here of some that there is a big variety of them. And this one does have apples and bananas. It also has rosemary extract and stuff like that. So that is another thing that I give my rabbits, is the Oxbow brand. Now another thing that I give my rabbits is this. This is an Oxbow brand also, but this is the Simple Reward strawberry treats. These are dried strawberries. When I don't have the time to freeze dry strawberries or apples or anything like that, because I do freeze dry stuff for my rabbits, I will also give them this. And this one, which I'll put a picture up here so you can see it better. This one is a freeze dried, and they have different, I think they have apples and stuff like that too. Again, it's on Chewy, but I got these at Petco and PetSmart. And they are just strawberries. Now, you don't get a whole lot of them, and they're very delicate, so don't squish them or anything, but they are amazing, and the rabbits do like them. The next thing that I do give my rabbits is this. Now, this can be a good treat, but not an all the time treat. So make sure you only give this to them every once in a while, but I do give it to them because they absolutely love it. And it can get a little bit pricey for me because they are, I think, like $3 or $4, $5, something like that. I don't remember. I will put it up on the screen right here what the price is on them. But I do know that you can get them at Walmart, you can get them at Chewy, you can get them at Petco and PetSmart, I do believe. I got this one at PetSmart is where I got this one from. And this one here is called a veggie and a fruit pie, which I can open it and show you. It is just a pie. I absolutely love it. It looks so fun for your rabbits. And it does have, look at how cute it is. And they're individual, so you don't have to give it to them. And you can just give it to half, you know, like cut it in half. You can do whatever you want. This one does look like it has some fruits, and this one is the vegetable one. I think it would be super, super cute to give it to them as a little gift, or someone that has a rabbit. You can give them this as a little gift because it comes in the package like this, and it's so cute. And then the next thing, the last thing that I do give my rabbits on this video, the next video I'm going to do another video on some treats that I give them. So this is the first episode, then I will have another episode coming up. But this one here is called the Menu Fruit Bar. This one here has 10 servings, so you don't give them the whole thing. It looks like to me, and it feels like they're chunked up in little chunks. So it's got 10 little chunks, and they are Chewy bar. These are like $3, so they're not that expensive. I'll put a picture up right here so you can see what they look like. And then this does say it's a tasty wafer, layers with real fruit and grains, no artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, and no added sugar. So you want to give them this on a very little bit. If they haven't had it, I would suggest you to maybe take half. They come in 10 squares. I would cut it in half of that square. So you'll get 20 squares. Just give them a tiny, tiny bit to start. Again, do not give any of your rabbits any of this before they are weaned off the mom and things like that. Now let's talk about this one. This one, my rabbits absolutely will just go nutso in their cage to get when I open this. They absolutely love it. It is crunchy. It is amazing. It says vitamins A, carrots, and it's no sugar added. These are light and crunchy snacks made with farm-grown carrots. They are easy digested and can break into smaller portions, perfect for hand feeding your companion. I absolutely, absolutely love them. And I'll also take a picture of this and put it right here so you can see exactly what they are. And I will be giving these to my rabbits today because they have been waiting. I always tell you guys because it's the truth. You guys are highly favored, highly blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.